we doing?
Danger. The Three Musketeers. What do you mean, what are we doing? We're gonna go watch you fucking drift that back. I'm Rob fucking Bailey. I got a giant warehouse full of tons of shit that I like, that I dreamed about having since I was a child. I own a bunch of businesses, but I'm not a fucking businessman. I'm in a few bands, but I'm not a musician. Deserve every minute! I just do a lot of stupid shit.
Whoa, whoa!
I got a rad crew, and we go hard as fuck. There's a few people in my life that help it run right. One is my little brother. A little more attractive than me, way more responsible.
Let's start this fucking party, guys.
We're running about 7 businesses located in Reading, Pennsylvania. We got a farm, we got goats. Here's another person in my world. My little friend Austin.
Hello.
I'm not sure what you do. Get up! He's like Robin, I'm like Batman. Really? Yeah, really. That's my wife, Dana. Professional bodybuilder, professional badass. I'm Rob Bailey, welcome to my life.
This is a seatbelt kind of day, huh?
I think you should wear yours. Oh, fucking shit, here we go. Seatbelt on?
Yeah.
You'll never grow up.
Yeah.
You'll never die.
The truck is fucking rad for stock, dude. Starting to get better at it. Fuck it. Seatbeltless.
Fuck it, we're doing it live.
Fuck it, we're doing it live! Oh, Dana's like right on my ass.
You'll never die. Still pretty low.
Very, very impressive.
Squad.
All fired up and shit.
It's really fucking cool out here.
Yeah. Sup, Day? Wow. Drew, come look at Dana's face.
Really fucking cool.
You look real.
What?
Dana, come over here and look in the reflection over here. You look really, really hot right now.
Make sure you smile too.
Was there dirt in my teeth?
You got like a goatee. You look really, really good. I'm gonna drive her through the lake.
Really?
Oh, you're going in that?
Yeah. Who's coming with me?
I would feel safer in the truck.
I'm gonna sit this out.
You're gonna sit this out?
I'll be like a lifeguard.
Ooh. Lifeguard.
Lifeguard. Get into bed.
We're going boating.
Send it.
You have a life vest for Austin.
No.
No, Austin, you're gonna learn how to swim.
No life vest?
Toma, impress me. Doing good. Doing good.
You're really good.
Doing good.
Entering.
All right, make sure you push the water.
Ooh, we're deep. We're deep.
You look really good, man.
You're doing great.
Guys, I'm stuck.
Give
Can't
it a
be stuck.
beans.
Put her in 4-wheel drive.
All right, hold on. Guys, we're stuck.
You're clear, just go forward.
I can tow it out with my side-by-side, but someone has to go get it.
Dana, we're not actually stuck.
Austin, you gotta get out.
You guys gotta get out and go get help. We're stuck, obviously.
You can't just go forward?
No, we're stuck.
I don't know about this water, fellas.
We're stuck. The truck's off. I don't even have AC anymore.
It's cold.
We're gonna die of heat exhaustion now.
It's almost lunchtime. Austin, come on, man.
Shirt off?
Yeah, shirt off, bro. Don't get your shirt wet.
It's my quickest exit.
Right through there.
Fuck it! I'm gonna save the day, team!
Save the day!
I'm leaving my shoes on.
Yeah, bro, you have to.
Yes. Get in.
Just get in the
Look at
water.
his face. Look at his face.
This thing won't get stuck in the fucking water. Hold on, Drew! Look at him. Let's go get him.
Probably terrified. You guys are something else.
Shoes or something else.
Jesus. That was really deep.
This truck's rad. I think we can make it more capable than this. I don't have very many stock vehicles.
You think the quad could actually? No, that quad couldn't.
You should definitely
Really?
try it. Come on, mustache, get up there.
You got Fu Manchu.
Take your dirt fucking mustache and get on the quad and ramp it through this fucking lake.
Is it really gonna actually make it though?
Yeah, it's totally gonna make it. And if it doesn't, Austin will go get it.
Bring the heat!
Press us!
Gas.
Why is she flexing so hard?
Hey now!
Stay in it! Stay in it! All right, Maniac.
Yeah. That was a really good one.
That was really
It
good.
wouldn't steer.
I know, because you're doing a wheelie.
I know.
That was really impressive. You smell so fucking
You
bad
made
from
me
that
walk
water.
through the water.
Do you smell as bad as he smells?
I mean, I'm in the same water.
You guys are fucking gross.
What do you want me to do? You want me to
I
save
think
the
you
day?
should get on the
Save
back of
day.
that and Dana take him through the water.
Through the water.
Okay, put that on.
Take it easy on me, Day. Where's my seatbelt?
You have to hold on to Dana's waist.
This doesn't feel safe. Oh, Jesus.
Do it, guys.
You have to hold on.
Give it a bean! Yes! Give it the gas!
Just two pros.
How was that?
That's not how I thought it was gonna work at all, actually.
You impressed?
I'm very impressed. All right, you guys wanna get going?
Yeah, anytime.
You're gonna ride with Drew.
In the back of the truck.
Make sure you go check out our new show, Kill Rob Bailey, on RatedRed.com.